This is not our typical style video, but it is a big one, so I appreciate you guys hanging out with me for a bit. You know, Dip Your Car has been the industry leader of peelable automotive paints for like 15 years. And believe me, we are incredibly proud of that. However, over that span of years, there have been countless customers who have contacted Dip Your Car and asked for all of our famous colors and pearls and shifts in real automotive paint. And we've just never had an answer for that. But what we're announcing today is that you'll be able to get all of Dip Your Car's colors. Our Performance Series colors, our solid pearls, our color shifts, our hyper shifts, and believe it or not, all OEM colors in real deal, high quality automotive paint directly from Dip Your Car. And I said this on social media, I'm gonna say it again. There are some incredible websites out there that just focus solely on automotive paints. That's not what we're trying to turn Dip Your Car into. Peelable paints will always be a primary focus for us, but we needed a solution for this. We needed to expand. So we teamed up with the absolute best in the industry, and now we have incredibly high quality primers and sealers, base coats, mid coats, a couple clear coats. It doesn't matter if you are just a beginner painter starting out or a seasoned veteran. I invite you to try our paints and let me know what you think. You might be very surprised. So what are we doing today? Well, a couple things. I'm gonna just walk you through a huge project that we just did with our new Luna paints. And because I know you guys love to see colors, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys a bunch of our existing peelable colors in permanent paint. You're going to want to check them out. Some of them you're probably not even going to recognize. It's pretty mind-blowing. So what did we work on? Well, we had my 2003 RS6. That car was painted years back out in California. Whoever did it did a terrible job. The front and rear bumpers were in really bad shape. One of them even had a single stage on it. What we wanted to do was change the color. So on the front and rear bumper, we sanded them down, corrected what we needed to. Those both got primed. The rest of the car got sanded, prepped, ready to go. And I could have just gone with the same OEM color that was on the car, but I've always wanted to own a Nogaro Blue RS6. And correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think that the C5 RS6 was ever offered in Nogaro Blue. So we painted the entire car in Nogaro Blue, and then we used our high-end VHS clear coat on top. For all of the trim, we went high gloss black using the Luna 1 aerosols. They worked perfectly, and when you put it back together, the end result is outstanding. So we're gonna go outside right now and I'm gonna show you the car, and I've got a bunch of speed shapes for you. And just to recap, all of the colors that you love from Dip Your Car are now available in real automotive paint. And obviously this is designed to be professional grade, but it's also turbine friendly as well. We're gonna have a lot of videos coming out to fill you guys in on everything. We can't fit it all in at once. And we will have a specific video showing you, if you wanna use these paints in a turbine, exactly what kind of configuration you need and how to get the job done. So let's go check out the car. Let's check out some awesome colors on some speed shapes. If you guys have any questions at all, which I know you will, contact us at DipYourCar.com. We are ready and waiting to have these conversations with you, fill you guys in on the paint. This is a huge expansion for Dip Your Car. 15 years later, and we're basically doubling the size of our product menu, and we are incredibly excited. I hope you guys are too. Enjoy checking this stuff out. I'll see you on the next one.